Hello friends, welcome again to Excel hacks. So today we will learn 10 most of the important formulas in Excel. So in part first we will try to learn these 5 formulas that is really important and that will ease your work when you are working on Excel. So first of all we will try to learn length formula. So just click on the cell right before the your text. So equal to len, len, and click on the text and then press OK. Then drag the formula to all of the table. So automatically the size of the text will be calculated. So another formula is age calculation. So we can easily calculate the age of a person in Excel. So this formula is also carry huge importance in Excel. That can ease your work when you are working on Excel. So I am just first gonna write the birth date of an employee. So in the next cell I just want to calculate his age. So this is cell I name it date of birth and 1/3/1994, and here is age cell where I just want to calculate the age of that particular person. So I just want to put all of the text on center line, and here just write equal to dated F. Click on the text, date of birth. We have gotten the age only in numbers. So if you want to write 29 years words, then you have to write another formula. So just write concate dated F. Here concate dated F, and this formula just write comma, inverted comma, space, inverted comma, close, another comma, and here inverted comma and years, and then again inverted comma and close the bracket, just enter. So here this is 29 years. So I have just written the concate formula just to separate the 29. It is a number and years the text just to separate just to create a space between 29 and years. So another formula is merge. So in this by using this formula you can easily merge two multiple cells. Let's suppose I just write down some simple basic example. Here we have first names and last names of our employees, and we want to merge the first name and last name in one cell. So here let's suppose we have the name of our first name of our employee is Rahul, and last name of our employee is let's suppose Clara. Rahul is the first name and Clara is the last name. So how you can merge these two formulas? There are different methods available in the Excel, but this is one of the simplest method is what I am going to do here. So just follow these steps and ease your work. Concatenate, click on text 1 comma and click on the text 2, close the bracket and enter. So here you can also use concate function just to create space between Rahul and Clara. And you can also create a space between just write space how you can convert your text to column. So it is also called the reverse formula of the merge. So in merge we have merge two different columns, Rohit and Sharma, Rahul and Clark in one column, and now we have to perform reverse operations. Rohit, Sharma, it's one column and we have to convert it into two other columns, Rohit and Sharma. For this you have to click on the Rohit Sharma and click on data and click on the text to column, and there is two options. So click on the first option and here they separate a space between them. Click on space checkbox and click next and finish. Here we have converted one column, one text Rohit Sharma into two different columns. So first column D and Sharma is the E column. So another you can also carry out the same procedure for another text. So the other formula is also the one of the most important formula in Excel. So it is the trim. Just to when this formula used when you are trying to clean your data on Excel sheets. So this is a fourth formula I just want to mention here for the ease of convenience when you practice these formulas. So here third formula, that is second formula, and that length formula was the first formula, and now there is I am going to carry out fifth formula. So here we have to trim. So trim have different types: left, right and mid. So this is our text asset 1, 2, 3. So here we're gonna first apply left formula. So how can you trim the text from the left? So how you can trim your text from the right, and mid means when you clean your text from the mid. So just follow these steps. Left, just write down left and click on text. So here write numbers 4. Start from the left. Right, just equal to right. Click on right, and here text, click on text, and here you just want to you will have to write down numbers from the right which you want to obtain from the same whole text. Mid all the same procedure, but here text, click on text, and the starting numbers, just count from the left and write down where you want to start from trimming. Fifth, write down fifth, because it means that the trim will start from fifth text word. So here too. So if you like this video, so don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel.